In the remote and hostile lands of Allan Hills, east of Antarctica, an international group of researchers has pierced time. What they extracted from the bowels of the ice is not just a frozen testimony of the past. It is, so far, the oldest sample directly dated to ice and air on our planet. It is a 6 million-year-old ice cylinder, a climate capsule that contains key clues inside about a world very different from that we inhabit today. If you are interested in science and climate findings, subscribe and like this video, so you can be aware of our most fascinating updates and discoveries on our planet. The research, recently published in the prestigious journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, PNAS, has been led by experts from the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution and Princeton University as part of the Coldex Project. This scientific initiative is supported by the National Science Foundation of the USA. The importance of the finding goes well beyond the chronological record. This ice is not only ancient, it is a tangible fragment of the atmosphere of the Miocene, a time when the seas were higher and the poles less frozen. Knowing what the composition of the air at that time was is crucial to understanding the direction of the planet in the midst of climate crisis. The ice cores act as geological archives. Each layer contains small air bubbles trapped at the time of the original snowfall, which retain an intact sample of the atmosphere. From its composition, scientists can reconstruct the temperature and other key elements of that moment. The samples were taken from 150 to 206 meters deep in the area known as Allan Hills Blue Ice Area, where conditions have favored the preservation of extremely old ice sheets. This finding was made in a terrain where the ice has been pushed to the surface. For years, Coldex has been exploring this region with the aim of exceeding the previous chronological limit of ice cores, which was around 800,000 years old. The new discovery has doubled that record, allowing access to direct data from Pliocene and Miocene, critical periods in the evolution of the Earth's climate. One of the most revealing findings of the study is the evidence of a progressive cooling of about 12 degrees Celsius in eastern Antarctica over the past 6 million years. This fact reinforces the idea that, even with carbon dioxide levels similar to the current ones, the planet has experienced much warmer conditions. In addition to thermal recording, scientists have identified climate-instant, non-continuous layers that offer glimpses of the atmosphere and climate of key epochs. These samples offer a unique opportunity to study greenhouse gas levels during times of planetary transformation. One of the most intriguing aspects of the finding is the presence of basal ice, virtually without air bubbles. This type of ice could be a remnant of ancient soils or compacted snow from periods prior to the expansion of the Antarctic ice sheet. The discovery in Allan Hills is not the end of the story. The Coldex team has already announced new drilling campaigns between 2026 and 2031, with the aim of finding even older layers. Each additional meter of perforated ice can contain vital information about the behavior of the atmosphere and oceans. Understanding how the climate evolved in the past is the only way to anticipate what may come. It's not about looking back for scientific nostalgia, but looking back to see more clearly the path ahead.